Therefore, we're looking at our options, but either a weak government or a coalition with those people that the country has rejected, neither are possibilities for us.
So what do you think people are going to, what challenges they are going to face?
Pakistan is facing an acute economic crisis in the next 2 to 3 months. The IMF agreement mandates increases in different services and different bills. We owe, thanks to Mr. Ishaq Dar's lovely economic mismanagement, we have to pay up to $25 billion in bonds. So this is going to be a very tough year for Pakistan. If anyone thinks that they can get away with this rigging and make a successful government and get rid of these loans and give the people a way to live, they're joking. Everybody knows. And that's the only reason that the entire Western media has turned against these Pakistani elections, because there was an article yesterday in New York Times which said Pakistan has run out of friends and out of begging bowls. That's how disgusting we've become. In the world arena, we've become a joke simply because the people of Pakistan want to vote for Khan.